As I sit out here and refill all the feed and water for the chickens for tomorrow, I have a question for everybody. Hey, Lincoln. So, out of everybody that owns chickens, have you ever had to frisk your chickens? It's a weird question to ask, but like our broody chickens, they like to hide eggs underneath their wings. So, every time I grab eggs, I have to come in here and frisk my chickens, which sounds weird to say as I'm thinking about that. But if you have, let me know. I'm trying to figure out what to do with those besides have to frisk chickens every day.